angry, yeah, I will get angry. But at the same time, I'm not a person who lash out. Hindi ko yung tipong tao na bigla na lang na, alam niyo yung parang, ay na, wala na akong chance kay Enrique, may date na siya sa Bohol. Ayoko na. Oo, pero wala akong chance. Ayoko na, crush ko pa rin siya, pero ayoko na, wala na akong chance. So, ayun. If a person is given a reason to be angry, then yeah. I mean, somebody provoked them to. So, it's only natural for a person to get angry. But at the same time, hindi kasi lahat ng tao kasi nagagalit na lang bigla. Sometimes kasi sa buhay natin, may mga tipong tao na kinikimkim nila hanggang sa sumabog sila. Tapos, hindi mo alam kung saan galing yung intensity ng galit nila. Kasi, yung mga past na arguments siguro nag-iipon-ipon na, and sometimes it will come up into a really, really huge fight and a really huge argument that sometimes may mga tao din nakakabitaw din ng masamang salita. And for me, I think I'm the type of person na pag sinagad, doon sasabog ako. Tapos, mag-bring up yung past na mga nangyari na hindi ko na voice out yung galit ko, or hindi ko na voice out yung nararamdaman ko, malalabas doon, at saka masasabi ko doon, where in fact, it's not the topic na of the argument. So, ayun. Hello, Mama Rogie. Nice to meet you too. Yeah. People have different ways how to cope up with their pain, how to cope up with their emotions, and how to express how they feel. And, oh my God! Yung alarm ko, guys, sabi dito, mag-shower ka na. So, yeah, I put on the alarms to what to do. Bastos, alam mo, hindi ako nakatulog din talaga ng maayos kagabi kakaisip sa Conjuring. Kasi may Barbie na naman si Annabelle talaga. Ayoko talaga pag may Barbie. Tsaka si Annabelle, takot ako sa dolls. So, that scares the shit out of me. Scratch that. You didn't hear me say that. Ay, wag talaga, Jim. Talagang bubugbugin talaga kita, Jim. So yeah, did not hear me say that. So, scratch that. Blush blindness. I think, yeah, I have a blush blindness. I just go on and go on. But wait, there's more. I have to put concealer, and the concealer washes out the blush. I think so. I hope so. See how freaking white this is? Look, look, look. I can't even sometimes imagine. See, it washes out the blush. Like, you're gonna bring it down. I bring it down, I'll bring it up. Some people bring it up so that it will get snatched, but I like the sunburn type of look. Because my inspo is, sino pa nga asawa ni ano? I think I'm not gonna put anything here na. Ba't ko ginalaw sa makeup? Talaga, minsan talaga. Yung pagiging sabaw natin minsan, ay nako. Yeah, Hailey Bieber. She's my inspo. I like her. In all fairness, I really do like her. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush my brows. Gabi guys, may buhok ako. So this is a quick TikTok live glow. See how nipis my brows are now? It's because I am stressed. So wag tayo magpaka-stress. Look how stress does manifest on your body. How it infiltrate your beauty with nothing good. With nothing good, I think. So yeah. Alam mo you're not doing well. Oh, you're not taking care of your body if these things are manifesting. So, I am not doing well. Try my best. And the rain is keeping me inside the house and it's stressing me out. I hate the four corners. I don't like being locked up in a four-corner room. And at the same time, I'm so picky because I don't like a lot of people around. I kind of like solitude, but at the same time, outside. I want to go outside, but with a lot of that. But not too many people. I don't. It's not that I don't like human beings. I like kids though. But I don't like how other people look at me because I get so conscious. Makes me feel unease and not secured. I don't like going out. Kaya nga, nag-i-English din ako para, syempre, pag may accent ng English, mas maganda din kasi mas lumalambot yung Tagalog, right? So yeah, I'm mixing that both because I think it's a technique. So, ayun. So parang social vibes, pero I'm not social, guys. I came from a very humble lifestyle. I grew up in a humble lifestyle in Siargao, so not rich. I'm just a normal person with a normal life. Where will I go? Saan ako pupunta? Sa lugar na wala ka. Boo! Why am I bad? I'm not bad. Just a little bit. See, guys? Look at that. She is snatched. Blush from NYX and Vice Cosmetics. So yeah, a mix of that too. Look at that. She has brows now because she's stressed, so she have to put on a fake brow, making her brow thick so that she looks decent and she looks alive. Yung less people. What do you mean, less people? I think you mean baddie. Really? Sino nagsabi yun? I'm a baddie? Really? I don't even know. What do you define a person being a baddie? And what do you mean by baddie? Like, it girl, baddie na savage. There's a lot of words that can connect with that. Hi, John. My crush. What's the shade? Kasi sa NYX, guys, natanggal na yung ano niya. Kasi it's plastic, so natatanggal yung names niya. So, I don't know. But the color is like this. Sorry, this is really not helpful at all. And this. So, like Barbie pink. And I hate Barbie, but I'm wearing something that's a shade of a Barbie pink. And sa Vice Cosmetic, though, they have they have the shade. Wait. It's puny. You little puny girl. That's weird. So here, it's puny by Vice Cosmetics. So yeah, here's that. Just gonna... Okay lang naman. Jasmine is such a sweetheart. She's so sweet. She's so considerate with other people. So smart. I love her. She's an inspiring girl. Moisturizer Reveal, Garnier. Here, I'm not gonna put anything now there in my, just need it to be up, and then later on we're gonna sing. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put this one on my lips, because my lips need kissing. I hope too soon. I hope soon I'll see her. She's such a sweet, sweet girl. So just. No pa. Bro, I look so pale. No. Hindi pa ako naka-contact lens. Multo po talaga ako pusa. Yung mata ko pang pusa, tsaka pang aso. Bro, I look like a freaking clown. And use the shade of... Ano to, nabasa? Ah, hindi pala. The Mellow Rose from Vaseline. I kinda like this one. This looks so aesthetic. Looks so... I like something so plain, guys. I don't like pink. I like blue. I like the color blue. That's why I like Ati Loisa's this one by Fina. So neutral. Look, look, look. Oh. Bruh. Bruh. Ang sarap. Natakot ako sa kamay, guys. That scared me. I hear a kid. Yan, totoo. Gayahin ko na yung sa Conjuring. Mama! Mama! Voice talaga yun. Ah! I so hate that doll. Dolls are freaking scary, guys. Like, any demons can be attached to it. Hate them all. Barbies are... freaking scary. Dolls. Guys, pag gumalaw talaga tong shadow na to, di na talaga, wala na talaga, end of the world na for me. No, I think this is tasteful. Tasty, tasty. What's tasteful? Is there a word tasteful? How stupid I am. Bruh. I think I need to have this one. Okay, may tao pala. Okay. I like horror stuff, guys. I like scaring myself out because that's how loony I am. Pero sa totoo lang, pag movie lang napanood ko lang na ako lang mag-isa, di ako matatakot. Pero kasi kapag sa sinihan, ang problema kasi ang lakas ng sounds. Sa sounds ako natatakot. Pag may ganyan bigla. Pag may biglang nag-talk sa likod ko, magugulat talaga ako. I don't even know how, bigla na lang ako nagugulat kasi magugulatin talaga ako. Yung mga sounds na malalakas, tapos biglang may thud, magugulat ako dyan. Kasi feeling ko, may tao sa likod, tapos pag tingin mo, walang tao pala. Oh my God, paranormal is real. Ganon! Gulat queen. I don't even know. I don't even know that. I don't even know if that's a compliment or that's a curse. I feel like it's a curse at some point. Because I'm freaking scared of... See, makeup for parang fresh lang. You don't need to put a lot of makeup on. You just need to put concealer and a lot of blush. Kasi magmi-mix lang din naman yung blush. Ako di ako nag-powder ngayon. So para glossy-glossy tayo. Daw mahiya na oily ako pag sa loob. Pero pag sa labas, kailangan plakado tayo. So ayun. Thank you guys. Thank you my best mistake. All the love, all the love. May goal kayo na linagay? Aww. May goal pala guys. I didn't know. May goal din naman pala tayo. Oh, ayan. Thank you, my best mistake. Sabi din ni Ma'am Shi Asel. Ayan, mag-start na tayo since medyo namumukha na tayong tao. See, before and after, look nyo guys kung gaano kapangit. Kapangit. Apaka-haggard. Akala ko aalis ka. Hindi aalis talaga ako. Joke lang ang lahat ng ito. I miss you guys so much. I am glad to see you all here. And I'm sorry I talk too much. Such a yapper. And all. And I get too excited. If I get too excited, I talk a lot. And sometimes di ko nare-realize na kahit may nagsasalita, bigla na lang ako sisingit. Apaka-ano ko. So I need to be aware and be more careful with that. Kasi hindi natin alam na pala ako nakaka-insulto ng ibang tao. So ayun. And it's rude to talk. Call this? It's rude to talk or to butt in a talk where somebody's still talking. So ayun, I just need to shut up sometimes. I can't shut up if I'm too excited. So yeah, I just need to learn how to shut my mouth out. Okay lang yan, Ate Ans. At least naman tanggap naman kita, kaya umayos-ayos ka. Ikaw yung ano ko, role model ko. Pero ang cute nito. Parang feeling ko may kulang. Kailangan ko ng something na cute. Wait lang ha. Off ko lang yung camera. Kailangan. I don't even know how to do this. Anyways, tataas ko na lang yun kasi nahihiya ako. Kailangan ko to i-off kasi nakakahiya. Like, kumagalaw ako dito. Ito even... Ay. Cam off. Or if flip cam ko na lang. Yan. Flip cam mo. Wala kayong nakita, di ba? Wow! Ang galing! Alright. Oh, there you go. Hindi yan paderte. Laptop ko yan. Oh, tap lang kayo. At saka, paano na yan? Ayan. Oh, nabalik, di ba? Wow! I'm so amazing. Girl, so funny. I feel like we're gonna do something oldie. Magiging ginang-ginang tayo dito. I feel like. Trip natin, schoolgirl. Parang pangit. Parang mas maganda pag ano. Parang boyish pero may girlish na hair. Tingnan nyo guys, no? Nakaka-clip na ako. Fork clip tayo. Ganito na lang. Oh, matulog na kayo. Hindi. Diba ganito ako? Tapos, let's be weird. I'd like to be weird. And I think I brought my glasses. My eyeglasses. Where's my glasses? Oh, baliktad ko naman kasi maghahanap na naman ako. Wow! So smart! Ang galing! Ay, ito lang pala. Okay. Another one. Oo, aircon po. Kasi pag ako nag-aircon, maginaw. Tsaka umuulan at the same time. Ayokong ilugay. Baka ano ng hair ko ngayon. Kasi awkward ang length. Oh, di ba? Lola yarn. Tara na, magpipiknik na tayo, guys. I think it's time. Fashion to, fashion. Ang hindi marunong makisama sa fashion natin, fashion show natin. Alis! Lagay pa tayo ng earrings para fashionista talagang dating natin. Wait lang. This big ass earrings. This is from my auntie. She gave it to me from Snow in Canada. Oh. Aray, ang sakit ang tenga ko. Parang ganyan. Ay, matatanda yung sa mga sinaunang tao. Pero parang maganda yung red. Ano yung pangit ng red? Bili ako ng isang hat na. Ayan. Di ba? Ang cute! I look like my grandma. This off. Nasa iyo, ate. Sige, kunin ko na lang sa susunod. I think this is better. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop the scarf off. There. And, okay. Sakit ang mata ko, guys. Sakit ng ulo ko. Siguro din naulanan ako kahapon. Anyways. Miss Minching. Shh! Makinig kayo, student. Kakanta tayo ngayon. Ah. Ay, naku, apakakukulit nito. Makinig kayo, okay? This is Miss Minchin. On your radar. On your area. Kayo makinig. Huwag matigas ang ulo. Okay, Google. May pamalo ako. Hindi nyo alam. Sana yung bakos ko. Oh yeah, guys. Dito ba? Okay lang yan, wala namang bolts dyan. Ay, sorry. Wala naman kayo makikita dyan. Yan, makita niyo yung ano ko, nanood ako ng anime. Kukulit niyo eh. Family X, Spy X Family. Ayun. That's what I'm watching. Fine wine chords, good wine. Si Google din, bright din. Apaka-bright. Wine by Hillsong. Pero guys, medyo pause ako. Glasses from... Hayaan nyo guys. Mag-upload ako with the glasses. And then, I'll send you the link. Capo is on the third fret. Yeah, but I think it's on the fourth fret for me because it's too ano. Okay, yeah, it's the fourth fret for me. And the crushing and the pressing, you were making good wine. In the soil now I surrender. Ano ba yung... Ayun na nga, iba na nga. Yan ang sinasabi natin kasi nakikinig. Tuning. Making good wine. Make me a whistle. Make Hello, Genevieve. There we go. The fourth. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Okay. Damihan nyo na yung mga corgi nyo.
Magko-corgi-corgi ka na lang tayo dito. Kasi mga kukorgi kayo. Ay, sorry. Saan na yung ano ko? Kailangan may for comfort, of course.